years in my corporate career where I couldn't understand why these people were being looked at for roles, right? Or they were being hired in. And I'm like, I can do that. How is this person at this level? I can do now. I wasn't applying to the roles. It was just like, why wouldn't they ask me? That's because I was coming in and I was just doing my job. I never said anything. And that was my personality. And I chalked it up to, that's just how I am. That's just who I am. Okay, well then that's all you gonna get. And this is me talking to me. But at the same time, you can't be mad at this person. Why you hating on them? You the one that won't want to talk. I got invited to go with the CTO. I told y'all this story, to lunch. You know what I said? No, I don't want to go. I'm just doing my job. I don't want to go. That's so mean. This man running Capital One right now. Just say it. Somebody could have been in my network. Because I didn't want to open my mouth. I don't want to say anything. Is it proper etiquette to do? Forget that. Ask. What is it going to hurt? Ask. Talk. These are things I would do differently. And that's why I can share with you all. Don't do like I did. You're there. You're in front. Back up if you're too close. Back up. Ask somebody. What do you see? I'm doing this. I've been doing this for 15 years. Tell me what you see.